Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I've made this video in French, then I realized this recipe is so much better to the one that I made like 2 years ago. So I'm going to give you an update. I'm going to wrap it up in English for you guys to understand, and I hope you find this helpful. So guys, for this recipe I've got here 500 grams of cassava leaves, which we call Pondu in Lingala. I've already cleaned it, washed and ready to be cooked. For the dry seasoning I've got nutmeg, all-purpose seasoning and some salt. I've got onion here, garlic, leek, courgette, green yellow Scotch bonnet, which is optional, 2 green bell peppers, palm oil and Pichard. That is it guys. So for more information please see the description box below. So I'm now chopping all the vegetables to make it easy to blend. So I'm chopping all the vegetables apart from the Scotch bonnet. You do not want to blend that. So everything is nice and clean. So I'm chopping the onion, as you can see, and bell pepper, leek and courgettes, just to make it easy for that blender to smooth it. So it's not a perfect cut, as you can see. It's just a box standard chop, as you can see. So before chopping the courgette, I like to remove the skin and peel it off and throw it in the bin because it makes the pondu bitter. So I don't like adding it. So as you can see, I'm peeling it off and chopping it inside the blender, and I'm adding everything inside as well apart from the Scotch bonnet because you do not want to blend it. So as you can see, courgette has gone in, bell pepper, leek, onion and also garlic. So you just do bit by bit and a bit of water just to make it easy to blend. So I'm going to do 2 rounds because my blender is not big enough. So just add as much as you can and add that water, close it up and blend but not too smooth. So I basically just blend it until I can't see the chunky vegetables. So just like this, as you can see. So right now I'm going to open that can of Pichard so that we can get the fish out. So I only use the fish, I don't use the broth, so I just cut it into pieces, as you can see. Don't worry too much about the bone inside because it's very soft, so it won't do any harm. So yeah, that is it, babe. Gosh. So as you can see, I've got my pondu inside. I've got my pondu here. I'm adding the blended vegetables, guys, and the heat is not on. So add the blended vegetables and basically add everything. So I'm adding a liter of water. Then add the Pichard. And now we're going to season it. So I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon of nutmeg and a bit of salt. And I'm also going to add some palm oil, which is 175 milliliters of palm oil. Now everyone likes the pondu differently, so some people like it very oily and some don't. So what I would suggest is add the quantity that's best for you. And as you can see here, I've added my Scotch bonnet. So I'm not going to squeeze it. I'm just going to leave it as it is. I love the aroma that it gives to pondu. It's just beautiful. So now I'm going to leave this to cook on high heat for 1 hour and 45 minutes. But make sure you check on it every now and then. Give it a stir, and also guys, it's very important to taste your food as you cook. So if anything is missing, you can add it. So also don't be afraid to add some water if the consistency is not the way you like it. So you can add a bit of water and leave it to cook for longer and taste it. You can add some salt. So make it your way, you know, make it your way. So yeah. And when it's done, et voila, c'est prêt à manger. Guys, if you've never tried pondu before, I would highly recommend you to give it a try. It's such a delicious dish and it's such a famous Congolese dish. It's eaten a lot, especially around this festive period. I remember when I was living in Congo, pondu na soso kotumba, oven baked chicken. Oh, around New Year's Day, it was the one, like, guys. I've got a recipe of oven baked chicken. It's such a traditional Congolese meal, especially around this festive period. So pondu can be eaten with so many things such as kwanga, fufu, plantain, even bread. Even some people find it a bit weird, but trust me, you can eat pondu with bread, you know. But yeah, that is it, guys. Before I go, I would like to say a big thank you to everyone that has been supporting me in 2018. Thank you to my old and new subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos, liking, commenting, subscribing, sending positive vibes, just keeping me going. I thank you all and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much, and I wish you all a happy new year, and I'll speak to you all on my next one. Bye bye.